Hi everyone. In the previous video you have studied that how to make objects of the classes and how to access the member functions or the functions of that classes by its object. And in this video we will be studying we'll be studying three things in this video. One is that how to inherit one class into another class, and we'll be studying about the two classes, so which can be made public and which cannot. We'll study that how many main functions can be in a class, and how to access the member function of another class by making object of another class. So in this program you can see that we have two classes, superclass and subclass. So this is the public keyword. You can see that public keyword is just in front of only one class, because I have explained you this in the previous program that there can only be one public class in one program, because if we make any class public, then that class name and the file name should be same. So if we make two class public, they will be confused and the compiler will also be confused that what to keep to the in the file name. So there can only be one public class, and in this program we have made this super class. Inside super class we have defined one function hello, which is printing hello. In the subclass we have inherited this function. So this is the method by which we can inherit one class into another class. Extends is a keyword of Java which is used to inherit one class into another class. In C++, if you remember that we can inherit one class into another class by using colon. So but in Java we will use extends keyword for inheriting one class into another class. And in Java there is we have told you in the starting video that multiple inheritance is removed from Java. So you cannot extend more than one class by in one class. It means that one class can only inherit the properties of one class. Inheritance means that we can access the data members and member functions of that class which are not basically private, which are even they are protected, public or user friendly. They can use it, but they should be not private. So one class can inherit only one class. So I have used extends keyword to access superclass into subclass. In the main function I have made object of subclass and initialize it subclass. The CM is my object of subclass. Now I am calling this hello function by this object. What it will do when it see that hello is called, it will find hello in its own definition, and if it could not find hello in its own definition, it go into its superclass because we have extended it. And if definition of hello was there, then that definition of hello will be printed. So I'll just compile this program and show you that how this work. There is no error in file. Subclass, see, hello is printed on screen. Now I'll remove this extend keywords, is I am removing this inheritance and still trying to access this hello function. See, there is an error that it cannot find the symbol cm.hello in the method hello. So this hello could not be found because it is not defined in this class, and we have not inherited this class. So that is why there was an error. So I'll just write this back, extend superclass, and I'll just compile this program again, and see, this is happening over here. So this is all about inheriting, how we can inherit any class into another class, and in the next video we'll be studying about constructors. Thank you.